is the Parblo, I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly, Parblo A610 Pro graphic drawing tablet. And let's see what we get in the box. Oh, but first let's take a quick look at the box itself. Fairly austere packaging. It has some of the key features. It has 892 pressure levels, or sensing pressure levels on the stylus, as well as being able to sense the tilt of the stylus, which is really good if you're using your stylus to simulate a brush. It really helps in creating art. And it is battery free. Well, it means that it is powered by a corded USB cable, and doesn't require you to put additional batteries. It may have capacitors or a built-in battery inside to power the pen, but you will not need to have external batteries. Okay, so we have the stylus itself, which looks nice, and again, you don't have to put a battery inside of this. Comes with a cord. It has a right angle USB-C to power it, and some adapters for USB-A to USB-C, and this is obviously a USB-C to USB-A cable. Instructions inside of this packet. Let's see what else we get in here. There's those adapters I was mentioning. It has some additional nibs for the stylus, so that's nice. A cleaning cloth, and this is a hand finger glove. This is to allow you to write on the tablet without setting off the tablet as if you were touching it. It is a special glove. You can get these from third parties as well, but it's nice that they included them. Here's the cable, and let's take a look at the tablet itself. And it looks quite nice, well made. It's got a menu wheel, and it has 8 buttons, so that you should be able to customize this and set it up for different functions. And I believe this is an adhesive just to protect the wheel, but you can take this off. I think I'm going to need something sharper than my nail. Oh, okay, got it off. So this allows you to use the wheel, and this has a little bit of like a rubberized texture there, so that you can easily adjust this option wheel. And yep, a central button to activate, and fairly smooth surface. So we'll take a look. We're going to attach it, and we'll give you we'll do an evaluation of how well it actually works. I had my daughter plug it into her laptop and really put it through its paces. She's more of the painter and drawer. While I do a fair share of photo retouching, she really uses a tablet to create, to paint, and to draw. She's very facile with it, so this is probably going to be her device more than mine. Now, I've owned primarily Wacoms for most of my career, and my daughter has an X-PEN Deco 1 version 2, and the first thing she noticed, and that I noticed, was that the stylus did feel very different than either of those two. The Wacoms tend to be a little more svelte, and this one has two buttons on it and no eraser on the rear nib. But a lot of folks, including me, have gotten used to just switching over to the eraser tool rather than flipping it over, like on some of the Wacoms. One of the great things about this is it does come with 6 replacement nibs. Now, I've never actually worn through any of my nibs on my Wacom, so I hope that these don't wear out faster than the other styluses. Now, this A610 is actually replacing the X-PEN that we bought a year and a half ago, and already it's the connection port, the USB-C port, has started to fail. We have to really press down and tape it down, so we're kind of disappointed that it only lasted about a year and a half, and hopefully this will last longer than the X-PEN. The A610 has a function wheel that quickly allows you to zoom in and out of your artboard. Now you could of course reconfigure this or any of the buttons to customize it to different controls, but having that art wheel on the left, it was really a game changer for her. So this is one way the A610 definitely is a step above the X-PEN. Now, if you do your artwork on a tablet or phone, an Android phone, well, it does come with a USB-A to USB micro adapter, so you can use the USB-C cable that it comes with and attach your tablet or phone to this device. So anyway, if you're interested in picking up one of these, I've included a link in the video description. It's available on Amazon, where we got it from. It's the same price as the X-PEN and a lot cheaper than any of the Wacom tablets, and it has all these features. So now, is it right for you? Well, hopefully this video helped you to decide. And if this video did help you and inform you in any way, please hit that like button and consider subscribing to the channel. And the best way you can show your appreciation is to share this video with other friends or family who do digital art or do any retouching. Having a digital drawing tablet is a game changer if you've never used one. Anyway, thank you for watching. Moondog out. Hey, if you like this video, please share it on social media. You know, Facebook, forums, MeWe, whatever platform you're on. And if you want to see more videos, check out moondogindustries.com.